Hey, it's Uncle Mike here, and thank you for joining me once again for the Dow Directions. Let's take a look at what happened on Friday. You can see that we had an inverted hammer. Let me blow this up for you a little bit. And you can see we closed right at the 50% retracement level. You can see we're having a hard time breaking support, and that does not bode well for longer term time frame. We're operating between 50 and 61% retracement level, getting rejected over the 61.8 retracement level each time. Also, you can notice we're testing the lower support line of the Gann fan. I know this is kind of messy with all these lines and support and resistance, but I wanted to show you and see the convergence in this sideways movement that we're going through right now. One would expect that we should gradually follow this support line and test again. If we break this support line, Uncle Mike would assume that prices would fall and we may again go down and retest the lows. I do expect that we're testing some sort of lows, whether it's this first kind of intermediate low and maybe retesting the lows again. So be on alert with your trading. This is the 200-day moving average. You can see it's of course slowly coming down, and that would be an ultimate upper support, resistance level that if we break through, then a lot of technicians would say, okay, now they're going to enter the market, but you can see it's far above our head at this point in time. Let's take a look at some numbers I have. My support and resistance longer term is the confirmed upside resistance would be 95.06, and the downside resistance would be 78.64. A break of any of those levels with volume would confirm that we have put in a bottom or a top, but we need to see a break with volume. Just remember that. Right now, as far as the tops and bottoms, I'm looking at the relative strength index. It's at 48, and remember it's enveloped by 70 above and 30 below, so we're basically right in the middle at this time with the RSI. Let's see the next. Let's go to our Trend-day chart checkup that I like to see. The overall bias to prices obviously has been and still is downward. Prices are still trending downward slightly, but you can see as of the last few weeks we are in a consolidation type pattern. On the Trend-day chart checkup, the upper bound is 96.46 with the lower bound of 75.11, which is in line with the longer term support and resistance that we had. And we closed right at the projected closing price. So that's where we are for the Dow. If you wish to trade, we do trade the S&P 500 E-minis in our day trading room. Feel free to join us, visit the site, and get more information about that. It's Christmas week. If you get this recording and or are leaving and we don't see you till after Christmas, have a wonderful Christmas with family and friends, and I will see you after Christmas. And if not, Uncle Mike will be posting Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday morning. We'll be posting what's happening, but volume will be light. Thank you. Have a wonderful holiday season, and I will see you on Monday night or Tuesday morning. Have a great one.